Video we are going to talk about how to record a video, how to become confident in the camera. You might say that why is it that it's important for you to know how to record yourself in the camera? Why is it's important for you to be confident while you are recording yourself in the camera? Have you ever seen someone knowing what he is talking about, but he is not confident while recording himself? What do you digest from his video, his way of talking on the camera? You might say that he is not trusting what he is talking about, right? You might not finish his video because he is not confident. That's why in today's video, strategically, we will see how we can become confident, how we can record a video in the camera. First and foremost, you need to know what you are going to talk about while you are in the camera. When you know that I'm going to talk about this and this, of which it takes time to master what you're going to talk about, you might admire that I want to go in the camera, I talk about this and this. But again, you start to stammer while in the camera, which can be recognized by we who are seeing you. So you know what you're going to talk about, what you're going to share with us. You got to take time revising, rehearsing, revisiting what you want to share with us, so that when you come out to say it in the camera, you are confident. Secondly, you might be confident because you've been rehearsing something, but do you trust it? In case you get someone trying to oppose what you're willing to share with us, can you defend it? Are you trusting what you're going to share with us? Is very important. And I believe that when you are trying to revisit what you want to share with people, it's better to understand it. Do not cram it, because cramming might be very easy, but it's dangerous. How? You can cram some things. When you reach in the camera, you get distracted, diverted by your thoughts. Maybe you are in this vlog, the way you're seeing me, then I think about something, then I get distracted in my mind very easily because I had crammed something. I didn't understand it. It might be very hard for me to get back to the gist of why I came in the camera. So that's why I'm saying you got to understand than cramming something that you want to share with the audience. Okay? I have said you admire to talk to us in the camera. You need to be confident. Now, you've been revisiting, revising, rehearsing what you want to share with us. So now you've built your mind. You are ready, of which it's not going to be easy. Some people, what they do, they can start preparing themselves over a certain video that they want to record in the camera a week before. You can start by going in the bathroom where there is a mirror and you talk to yourself the way how I'm talking to myself, because the camera is there, I'm here. You can't go in the bathroom. You talk to yourself. You look at yourself the way how you talk. You can build some confidence from the mirror in your bathroom. Secondly, you can put your phone somewhere. You record yourself. Then after recording, revisit your recordings to recognize where there is some mistakes, some stammering. Again, you can recorrect. We always say that never sell what you can't buy. If you recognize that that video you've recorded is not good for you, just know also it will not be good for the audience. You have to first believe in what you're willing to share with us is when you will sell it to other people, because you can buy it. Okay, so now you've gone in the mirror in a bathroom, you've recorded that video in your phone, you've revisited it, now you've confirmed that yes, it's the right time for me to go and record again the video that I'm going to share to the audience, to the social media. Do you know that there are many people that are living financially independent because of just sitting in the camera, and they share with the audience what they trust, what they know? Do not fear to share what other people have shared, because also that's a problem. Someone might say that I want to talk about success, I want to talk about this, but people have already talked about it. What if you are understanding it in your own way? And the also algorithm might not be taking people to those that have already made it. They are just waiting your video. Maybe it's brief, summarizing what someone is looking for. The way how you go on social media looking for something, there are other people that are looking also what you know. Because there is a confusion also. Someone might say that I want to record something, but I don't know what to record. I will ask you that, is there some wisdom that you've confirmed to be working for you? And the answer is yes, because if you are watching this video, I'm very sure that you have grown enough to have some things that you value in your life. Maybe I value focusing, I value not talking much. Okay, fine. Since you value that, what you value, people, they want to hear your story of trust. So it's what you're going to share with us. The way how I'm on this camera, it took me some time while I'm preparing myself to be on the camera. When I confirm that I can record a video, when I'm trusting what I'm talking about, when I'm confident on the camera, I'm coming out to share my experience. The way you can do it also. So do not get disturbed again with what to share with the audience. You got to figure out a problem that you are having. You got to find out a solution, assess the solution, get the result, then come share with us your solution to the problems that you had. So you have what to talk about. You've built yourself on how to become confident in the camera. It's now the time to record a video that you're going to share with us. I want you to think much on how people are going to perceive you. For many times, I can think about how people that are seeing me every day, how people that are knowing me are going to see me while I'm on social media, while I'm recording a video. Then it gets disturbed in my mind. I get terrified. Maybe some of the people, they don't even record what they wanted to share with us. So you need to sell your mind that yes, even if my mother, my wife, my daughter see this video, I trust what I'm talking about. They are with me every day. But since I'm trusting it, it's okay for them to see it. When you prepare your mind, your thinking, and you get confidence from within, it will be very easy not to think about what people, they will think negatively of what you want to share with us. So, okay, now you know what you're going to talk about. You've got confidence through practicing in the mirror in your bathroom, through recording different videos on the same topic that you have been with in your phone, that you've been visiting again and again to recognize where you've been stammering, where you've been pausing. Now you are okay. You are set to go. You prepared your mind. Think about how you are going to put on, to persuade, logically people to trust what you're going to see, what you're going to share with them. We perceive you with respect when we see that your self-care is okay, because we are just seeing on the camera. You know, someone may say that this video is of less quality. This guy was not looking attractive. So you get to persuade people to love you because of what you've put on. I request you to practice as much as you can before you come out to share something to the audience. But again, you rather start before you get much confidence, because when you get negativity after sharing with what you've been trusting, you can get prepared more after getting some condemnations from others. Because I can't say that I want to start a YouTube channel last year, then I think that I'm not trusting what I want to share with people. What will they say in case they see me that I'm not confident? I'll start next year. No. Start, then you'll work on yourself while you are in the journey. This is when you'll get also people that will help you to become successful in what you want to start. Have I helped you how to record a video, how to become confident in the camera? It's very simple. Trust me, it's very simple. Know what you're going to talk about. Believe in yourself. When you got confidence that I can do it, let these external thoughts or you thinking that maybe someone will condemn you, do not dominate your thinking not to share what you trust. People are looking for answers every day. You have the answer. Even if you see that there are millions of people talking about the same thing, they can't be you. The way how you've understood it, that's what I'm saying. You got to be understanding what you're going to talk about than cramming. Because you can cram something, you reach in the camera, you forget. Even if you have not forgot, what if you get a challenging question based on what you crammed? You might not answer. We are looking for phenomenal answers, phenomenal solution to these problems that are disturbing us. Do not be that guy who passed exams in history while he was still in school. When you ask him that, can you rely in the history that you passed well in school as of now, then he say, no, I wish I knew that I could take science or other technical skills than taking history. We need answers that are working for us. This video also might be helpful for you. Please, I request to check on it. Let's meet in another video. Bye-bye.